Transform every surface with Kärcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Say goodbye to tough stains and hello to spotless surfaces. The Kärcher K5 Premium delivers 2000 psi of power, ideal for rejuvenating patios, driveways, and vehicles. Equipped with versatile Vario power and Dirtblaster wands, it adapts seamlessly to both light-duty and heavy-duty tasks. Powered by a durable, water-cooled induction motor, this high-performance pressure washer ensures results that last. With a 25-foot kink-resistant hose and onboard pressurized reel, even hard-to-reach areas are manageable. Plus, its user-friendly detergent tank and adjustable flow make soap application effortless. Achieve superior results on concrete, decks, cars, and more with the Kärcher Promise: cleaner, quicker. At 1.4 gallons per minute, it matches power with efficiency in a lightweight design that's easy to move and store. With countless glowing reviews, homeowners can rely on it for pristine outdoor spaces. Don't let dirt and grime hold you back. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Kärcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Click the link in the description to explore its features, read reviews, and order yours now. Transform your cleaning routine with this powerhouse tool.